In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a variable product on eFlipp in 5 minutes. Step 1. On your vendor dashboard, select Products and click on Add Product. Step 2. Product Details. Write in your product name and make sure it's searchable both on eFlipp and on Google. After that, you will change the product data from simple product to variable product. A simple product is a product which doesn't have options like size or color. For example, if you are only selling medium white t-shirts, you'll select Simple Product. If the t-shirt has multiple sizes, you'll select Variable Product. Next, you're going to add your product images. Note that the main pages of your product will display in square view. So make sure your product is centered in a square size to avoid it being in the dead zone. In the product gallery, you'll add showcasing images that will show more about your product. Next, select the category for your product. You can select more than one and any supporting tags. After that, you'll write your product descriptions. The short description will display next to your product, so make sure you write what your customers need to see. Then on the description, you can write a full description of your product. Next, scroll back up and select Attributes. Attributes are product specifications, which can be the product size, color, or material. For this product, I'll show you how to add color and size for demonstration purposes. On the name, you'll write the specification type, and on the value, you'll write what's included. To separate your values, use a vertical bar, and make sure Used for Variations is selected. Repeat the same process for other specifications. Next, select Variations and click Generate Variations. If you forgot to click the Used for Variations, the generator won't work, so make sure you selected all the attributes that you want to use as variations. After the generation, you'll see all the product variations listed. Next, click on Add Prices and enter the price for your product. This price will be set for all the variations. If you want to change the price or quantity for each variation, click on Edit and add the necessary changes. You can also add images for each variation, especially for the colors. If a product is out of stock and you didn't set the stock quantity, you can simply change the stock status to out of stock or to back order if you want people to make pre-orders. After you've entered everything as the video showed, you can click Save New Product and click on View Product to check if everything is showing proper. Note that your product will first need to be approved before it can be displayed on the site. This will take less than 4 hours. You can search your product once it's approved and see how it's displayed. That's it. See you on the next one.